What's up, everybody? Justin Adams here, aka Jay Adams, aka Swipe Trades Master. Jay Adams Investments. Going to do this really quick video on three pairs. We're eyeing up a little market overview. As we can see here, we have the Euro USD set up. Now we can see that, and I'm going to draw as we go along to give a little educational post for you all here over at Swipe Trades. You can see there was this wedge that was just broken out, and you see this huge move to the downside here. What I want you to notice on the daily time frame is this last bounce that caused an uptrend move of about, let's see, from here to here, of about 970 pips. We're getting into that area of support, which is a strong zone, and it was with a very overextended tendencies. So even if we get a bounce here, this is a very low risk setup. Usually, when it takes something like this in a non-directional trend movement, but based on the fact that this is a very strong area of support and that this will be a low risk setup with a high reward tendency to it, I see this as a nice possible setup. See how price would react to 1.16000 exactly, because we can get a move. We can't predict this far into the future, but of about 300 and let's just say 400 pips, even if we get a move to this previous area of support that was just broken, to be at least 100 pips, so a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If it does, however, reach here, if we swing this up to the upside, this will also be a correctional move with those who associate themselves in a what's called a head and shoulders pattern, or whatever you like to call it, for a possible move to the downside. Another one I want to keep an eye out for you guys is AUD USD. I'm really looking at this one. The reasons being is that this major daily trend line was broken here with the retest. And if you see that I drew my Fibonacci from this high to this low right here, we can see that previous area of support here that was just broken runs right into a 61.8 and what we associate with a broken trend line retest setup trade for directional continuation of that newfound trend movement. So that's all USD as well. And last but not least, we do have GPB, JPY. Now, if we go to the daily time frame here, you can see that there's a huge wave to the downside here, which is how we drew our Fibonacci from this high to this low. And you can see that previous area of support that was broken, it falls right in line to that the 61.8 retracement level area. If we go to the 4-hour, you can see this very newfound trend line that's very strong. Could get a possible bounce here for a nice trade setup, for a sell setup. So guys, this has been Justin Adams with a quick market overview video on these three pairs. We look forward to, supporting you guys. We look forward to, giving you guys very, very high quality setups for this upcoming week. And let's crush it, man. Record breaking month. I'm very excited. We're going to continue this momentum on going forth. We appreciate you guys. Thank you very much.